It has an IPE exhaust and it sounds insane and it goes like hell. Please let me free, let me out before the border. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and today we've got another viewer's car. It's getting better and better. More and more people are submitting their cars, which is absolutely awesome. So if you have a cool car like Steven and his AMG C63 you can submit it by using the email address that's in screen now. Today I'm going to show you around it, show you all the cool stuff on this, then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn and hope that we can do something nice today because it's 3:40 right now, so I hope it's not too busy. While we're on the subject of time, this is our new watch. It's called the Matterhorn and it's sort of an outdoor rugged adventure look with a very cool green strap, nylon with leather on the inside, and a black plate with a very cool red little accent on the crown. We are super excited about this watch. I really wear this a lot. I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so if you're interested, go check out ignitioncollection.com. Now, today we've got a C63S and it's not stock, as you can see on the outside, because Steven has thought out this safety car livery, which is super cool. It looks really nice. It's not like a one-to-one copy of the actual safety car, but it is inspired by it. So it does have some safety car stickers and a lot of these Petronas blue colors, accents, which I think looks super nice. If you would like to follow the owner, this is his Instagram account, nl.c63s. So go check it out. We've got the black fake center lock wheels, some Pilot Super Sports around it. Always nice to have. 19-inch with carbon ceramic brakes. A must on these cars, especially if you hear how much horsepower this car has. Some FIA Formula 1 World Championship stickers, some sponsoring stickers. It has an IPE exhaust straight, so decat. It sounds absolutely mental. We've got some Tommy Hilfiger stickers right there, Pirelli, and PTC, Private Transportation Company. That's the company of Steven and his brother, the owners of this car. Looks stunning. I think, you know, it's cool that someone does something that's a little bit out there, that's different than every other C63, I think. So, what do we have here? Well, we have the well-known 4-liter V8 bi-turbo, stock 510 horsepower, now 620. I don't know the torque figure. Yeah, so it's not stock anymore and it sounds insane and it goes like hell. So basically everything we love. On the interior, we've got the bucket seats, which are super hard but do look very cool. And this two-tone interior, I really like that. I think it looks really good with that light leather, the dark leather. I'll start it up. So we've got some pedal extenders as well on the shift pedals, and there are no horses around, so I can finally rev it a little bit. We'll put it in race. Oh, it's already in race. So the valves are open. That is loud, guys. That's seriously loud. Okay. So we'll take it for a drive and I'll talk a little bit about what has been done to this car and how it feels. And then we'll drive it on the Autobahn and we are going to pray to all the gods that we get a little bit of space because this car is freaking fast. Oh, listen to that. Okay, so I'll open the rear windows a little bit. For some extra sound. So 620 horsepower, that means that it has had an ECU tune, decat downpipe, and that exhaust, you know, which gives it a lot more open flow. And well, this car definitely has 620 horsepower because it is freaking quick, and it has a soundtrack to go with it, because this, oh, this has to be one of the best V8s ever made. I mean, the way this car sounds, oh man. So before this car, Steven had a GLA 45, also an AMG, with a very cool Nardo grey wrap and some bright yellow accents, with a silencer removed, so that one was also pretty loud. Not as loud as this though. Yeah, he told me that he absolutely loves it, and that it's sometimes even a little bit too fast for his liking. I mean, I get it, man. It is freaking fast, this car. Oh, those rear tires, those poor rear tires, they really struggle with this ridiculous amount of power and torque. Whew. Sorry, people of the neighborhood. Stop sign, I'm stopping, as you can see. No one died. Oh, this has to be one of the louder C63S's we've driven. I mean, we've driven a lot of these cars, but this is super loud. IPE exhaust. If you want a super loud exhaust, go for a decat setup with an IPE, because I can't really remember. Yeah, maybe the GAD ones, those are extremely loud as well, but this is super loud. Okay, so you've got a digital speedometer over there. We are in race mode. And we are going to see what we can do on the Autobahn. No speed limit here, just to remind you guys. No, it looks like it is quite busy. I've got a little gap behind me, so I'm going to use that to get some space in front of me for as long as I can. Oh, listen to that. Okay, there we go. Here we go. So it runs really well. No weird stuff with the gearbox or anything like that. I'll put the suspension in comfort. It's a little bit better on this surface. And we have to pray that we've got some space now, because here we go. Yeah, that's fast. That's 260 without breaking a sweat. So this tune has been done by DT Mobility in the Netherlands. After driving this car, I can definitely recommend going there if you have a C63 and you want this setup. It's really good, it's really fast, but it's just too busy right now for me to do anything worthwhile. Yeah. That's it, guys. That's it. Here we go. We'll try again, because it's just not enough. We have to do a little bit more, a little bit better to honor the car. Here we go. This car is freaking fast as hell. Oh, I'm already happy I tried again, because I just have to honor this car and its performance by doing a proper run. It was just too short, and this car is an absolute joy to drive. I mean, I don't know if you guys can actually see the difference between Comfort and Sport Plus for the suspension, but it's crazy. The car just completely levels out once I put it in Comfort. It's very cool to experience that. Oh, just listen to how aggressive this car is on the throttle. It's just waiting for you, urging you to floor it. Please let me free, let me out, set me free. Oh man. It's absolutely no problem for this car, none whatsoever. Steven, my friend, you have an incredible C63. I've driven a lot of them, and this is among the best of them. Stupid corners, why did they put the corners in here? I can't see. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Let's go, C63. Here we go. Before the border. That's 313 kilometers an hour. Oh my god, this car is so fucking quick. This is probably one of the fastest C63s we've done. Absolutely incredible. Oh, I love these cars. I absolutely love them. Steven, thank you so much for submitting your car. Absolutely awesome. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to end it for reals this time. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can check out this video or go check out this playlist. I hope to see you at the next one. Bye.